To do this experiment, you need a bottle of sodium thiosulphate, a digital timer, a filter paper, a pencil and a dry white marker, 2 measuring cylinders 25 centimeters cubed, a conical flask, and 4 bottles of hydrochloric acid, ranging at different concentrations. Draw a cross in the middle of your piece of filter paper, and with your dry white marker, write the name of the acid, HCl, and something to show that you have sodium thiosulphate in your 2 measuring cylinders, because you don't want to mix those up. Measure 25 centimeters cubed of sodium thiosulphate using one of your measuring cylinders. Then pour that into the conical flask. Then get your lowest concentration of hydrochloric acid and measure 25 centimeters cubed of that. Pour that into the second measuring cylinder and get ready to add that to your conical flask. But make sure you have a timer ready to start your reaction. And what you are going to do is, when you add this, you're going to time how long it takes for the cross in that the bottom of that conical flask to disappear. Okay, now at the bottom of that conical flask you can see that pencil cross. Whilst this reaction takes place, the sodium thiosulphate reacts with the hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride dissolved in water, so that's aqueous, sulfur dioxide, which is a very smelly, eggy gas, and sulfur. Sulfur does not dissolve in water, so it forms a precipitate. In other words, a solid is formed in this reaction. And we are using that solid to cover the cross. So the moment that that cross disappears, we're going to stop our timer. Gone. 51 seconds for 0.1 mole hydrochloric acid. Set your apparatus up again. This time measure again 25 centimeters cubed of sodium thiosulphate into the correct measuring cylinder. Pour that into the conical flask, and with the second measuring cylinder measure out the next concentration, 0.5 moles per decimeter cubed. Ready again with the stopwatch. And again measure how long it takes for that cross to disappear. Gone. 36 seconds. Wash the apparatus out and set it out one more time. Add the sodium thiosulphate, and this time 25 centimeters cubed of 1 mole per decimeter cubed hydrochloric acid. Get ready with the timer. As we increase the concentration of hydrochloric acid, the number of particles of hydrochloric acid are also increasing, so the chances of them colliding with the sodium thiosulphate particles also increases. Our rate should increase to 36 seconds. final experiment. Add the sodium thiosulphate, and this time 2 moles per decimetre cubed of hydrochloric acid, getting ready with the timer. And our cross is gone. 32 seconds for that reaction. Now we have all our data, let's put it in a table and see what it comes out as.